Ben Baker was a boy with a big imagination and an even bigger appetite. One sunny Saturday, he stomped into the kitchen and shouted, "Mom, I'm hungry enough to eat a mountain." His mom chuckled. "Well, you can't eat a mountain, Ben. But how about a sandwich?" Ben grinned. "A big sandwich. A sandwich so big, it needs a ladder to reach the top." He grabbed his pencil and drew out a plan, a sandwich with 12 layers. Yes, 12. He called it, Sparkles the Ben-tastic Super-Duper Sandwich Tower. Sparkles. Ben opened the fridge and grabbed everything that looked tasty. His best friend, a striped cat named Pickles, watched from the counter, twitching her whiskers. "This is serious business, Pickles," Ben said. "We're making sandwich history." Layer by layer, it began. 1. Peanut butter 2. Strawberry jelly 3. Sliced bananas 4. Crispy lettuce 5. Cheddar cheese 6. Turkey slices 7. Dill pickles 4 pickles. 8. Tomato wheels 9. Mashed potatoes 10. Cornflakes for crunch 11. Sprinkles 12. And finally, a tiny cupcake on top. Pickles meowed in protest. Mro. Translation: Who puts sprinkles in a sandwich? Ben looked up at his towering sandwich. It wobbled like a jelly on a trampoline. He backed up, took a deep breath, and shouted, "Here comes the bite of the century." He opened his mouth wide, but the sandwich slipped. Squish. Splat. Boink. It crashed down with a splatter of jelly, a flop of lettuce, and a bounce of banana. Pickles dove under the table with a mro. Ben sat in a puddle of peanut butter, blinking. "Well," he said, licking jelly off his nose, "maybe 12 layers was too much." Mom walked in and gasped. "Ben. The kitchen looks like a food parade exploded." Ben looked sheepish. "I just wanted to build the best sandwich ever." Mom smiled and handed him a sponge. "Let's clean up, then try a smaller sandwich together." So Ben and Mom washed the counter, scrubbed the table, and gave Pickles a peanut butter bath, which she did not enjoy. Then, they built a new sandwich. Just 3 layers, peanut butter, bananas, a dash of cinnamon. Ben took a bite and closed his eyes. Mmm. This is perfect. Pickles purred. Mro. Translation: Still no tuna. Ben learned something important that day: sometimes big ideas work better when you start small. And sometimes, the best sandwiches are the ones you share, without sprinkles or cupcakes inside. From that day on, Ben became the best sandwich maker on the block, one sensible sandwich at a time. Books the end. And snack time. Sandwich bonus activities for class or home. 1. Create your own sandwich drawing. Draw your dream sandwich and label each layer. 2. Silly sandwich word search. Find sandwich words: bread, cheese, lettuce, banana, turkey, jelly. Question time. What went wrong with Ben's sandwich? What did he learn at the end? Would you eat a sandwich with mashed potatoes and sprinkles? Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!